Verifying your bank account on Honeycomb Credit is an essential step to ensure secure transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Start by visiting the Honeycomb Credit website and signing up for an account. Fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and password to create your profile. Step 2. Navigate to bank account verification. Once logged in, go to your account settings or dashboard. Look for the option labeled Bank Account Verification or similar to begin the verification process. Step 3. Enter bank details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realize it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Confirm small deposits. Honeycomb Credit will initiate a process where they make small deposits into your bank account. Check your bank account statements for these deposits, which usually take a few days to appear. Step 5. Complete verification. Return to the Honeycomb Credit platform and enter the amounts of the deposits you received. Once you submit this information, your bank account will be verified, allowing you to proceed with transactions. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on Honeycomb Credit. This will help ensure a smooth experience for your financial activities on the platform.